Okay, so this is the Hearth and Hand Magnolia wagon. I'm going to show you complete detailed assembly video on how to make this whole thing up. I'm going to unbox it and also do a review. Okay, let me open this and show it to you. Okay, you can see how it looks very fancy and nice. There's really nice colors. It is collapsible. So there's like we have like a sedan car. So putting something very big is difficult. So you want something that is collapsible. It's easy to move and roll. A locking mechanism, and you can see how this whole thing looks. It's really nice, very fancy. Hearth and Hand with Magnolia. So let me open this and show it to you. Okay, so the first step is you need to unlock this, remove this thing here, like this. Right, so it was the way it was spread, it was something like this. Right, and just remove this thing. Right, now it is removed. Next, you want to lift these two wheels up like this. Next, you need to lift this handle and move it to the side. After that, you need to lift this in here like this. Right, and remove all of this small stuff, any wooden stuff that is in between. Right. Next, you want to move this here like this. As soon as you do it, it essentially gets locked by the button here. And you want to put this, if you come here, you see this hole here, this is where this silver will go.
Can I matching for you, please?
No, Vicky, you'll get hurt, please.
Aww.
Notice how this got clicked in, right? Essentially, when you can remove it from here, and you can also put it back here. And same on the other side as well. Where what you want to do is, you want to move it here like this. Press the button. You have to press this button, but be careful, you might get hurt. Yes. Yeah, and look, easy your finger will come. Your finger is very small, that's why I'm sorry. Okay, now this thing is connected, right? Next we are going to turn it around.
Turn it around.
Be careful. Okay, now for now, if you notice this thing is closed, you obviously have to expand it. Here like this. And then this is how you fold it. This is how you unfold it essentially.
Oh, now I know.
Okay, now you are essentially unlocking it. Now also if you notice this thing here, this handle can be just locked in here and can be held like this. And now this thing is ready, and what you want to do is, you want to just wrap this thing around. Like this. Okay, and then all you have to do is tie it around. And now you essentially have your wagon ready. You can put any stuff, and it's very sturdy, so even kids can also go in. It's not like a problem.
Can I go?
Yes. No. Okay, no. Okay, fine. Okay, Vidhi, can you go? I have to now fold it. Now to move it, all you have to do is you can push it, pull it. You can see the wheels move in every direction, and this is essentially the locking mechanism, right? So right now it's moving. You can lock it by moving it like this, and then unlocking it is same like this. Yep. So now lock and unlock. You also have to tie that thing around at the bottom. I can show you from the bottom. Essentially, yep, you can just tie this thing around. Yep, let me open it from this side actually. Yep. Yep, you can essentially put this thing around, fold it and lock it in here like this or something like that, right? So you just have to make sure that this doesn't fly anywhere. You can put it here or do something like this. Right, lock it in for now. Yeah. But now this thing is ready and easy to move and comfortable and nice thing. You can also put stuff in it, storage, whatever you want. You can see like a whole baby can just go and sleep inside. Next, I am going to show you how to fold it. Come on, I have to fold it. Should you?
I don't know how to come.
What do you mean? You can come outside. Just try.
I don't know what to do.
Yes. Just stand up first.
Oh, you said that.
Yeah. Now. Nothing will happen. It's so small, Virti. Come on, fast. Yes. Okay. Come on, fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't know. You just try. It is very easy. It's like nothing. You won't fall down. Yeah. You won't fall down. It's nothing. No, you. Okay. Put 1 foot out here and sit over here. Put 1 foot out. Now put the second feet also out. Yeah. Put all the. Come on. No, you won't fall down. How did you come out of the other one? Fine. Put 1 foot here. No, this here. You see here? Yeah. Now put the second feet here. Yes. Now jump down. Jump. You can jump yourself. It is nothing. Virti, it is nothing. Okay. Next I'm going to tell you how to fold it. So first obviously you want to unfold it and put it back like this. And then zip it back. So same as before. Yeah. Thank you, Virti, for helping.
Let's have. We need to have that. Can I close the left, please, Papa? I want you. Okay. Where's the other piece? No.
When it's tight, it's a little bit difficult, but yeah.
That's a little bit difficult.
Okay, next we are going to turn this thing around.
Ooh, turn
Like this. Okay, next if you remember what we did. Virti, 1 second. Can you please stand up? Yeah. Okay, you press this button to remove it. So I removed it just like previously. And now obviously it's stuck. So you need to press this button. Right? To unlock it. Right? So you have to first press the button to remove it and one to fold it. Same here. In here, we had connected like this. So first this button to remove it. Virti, you get hurt. Please go on the outside. It will fall down on top of you. No, Virti, we are folding it. Virti, go out. Okay, right? And now once again you have to press the button here to fold it. That's what we are going to do. Okay, let me fold it here again. Okay, and on here press this button, right? And now we are going to fold it. Put this. Okay, no. Put this here. Put this here. And fold it here, right? And now once again remove this thing and tie it around. Now this thing is folded the way you would expect it to, right? And now this thing is folded essentially. So that's how essentially you can also fold the tires. So you do have that option as well. So yeah, that's it. You just fold this thing around and now you can store it easily. A lot of space for you to put stuff here. Yeah, very happy with it. Okay, thank you.